Hi everybody. Okay, so this is with my little crate amplifier, and I've got the gain and the what's it called on here? The gain and the level are even at about 1/4 each, and then the mids are at 50%, and the bass is at 3/4, and the treble are at 3/4. So I got bass and treble at 3/4, mids at 50%. The reverb's a little more than halfway on. So that's all the knobs do. And you can see you get this sort of country sound to things. And that's with my bass pickup even, so if I put both of them on the... Now, that's with the two different volume knobs even. So if I make the first volume louder than the master volume, if I make the channel volume louder, now I'll go to the channel volume's on 50%, and the master volume's still on about 1/4, 25%. Now notice I start to get... I'll put a little beefier pickup on it. I could make this. I can aid in the playing. Notice when you have this big kind of distorted sound, you don't want to try to. It doesn't sound nice. So we want to, with the distorted sounds, we want to, a lot of times, right hand muting. So now the opposite of that, I'll turn the first volume down to 1/4, and I'll turn the second one up. Now my master volume's at 50%, and my first volume, my gain volume, is at 25%. Now I have closer, and I can even turn this quieter. I'll turn each of them down a little bit in perspective now. So now, to get the whole thing quiet. So now, the master volume is up at like 11 o'clock, and the channel volume is at like 8 o'clock. Okay, so something like 20% and 45%. So, and now I can. So this is a good example, baggage claim. But that's not really the sound we want for the, right? So it's not completely distorted, so we need a little bit more gain, right? So now we're going to make the first volume louder. Meanwhile, if I wanted to play, I don't know, Country Roads or something, this is the sound for it. Or even a nice little quiet country thing. So now, look for a little more dirt, a little more gain. So I'll turn the first volume up. That's too much. You can also, if I lower the master volume, that has the effect of bringing the other one higher up, right? Now we're getting close. Now maybe I'll change the pickup to something a little... that's too much. That's too much. That's just right.